Hi friends, welcome you all to Walk with Rajashri. This is my channel and the vlog I just started, and I like to share my experience I am walking through since like past many years of my life, the places I visited, the people I meet, the experience I went through. So slowly I will bring a different kind of a segment to you, and I would like to know the comment. So today I am here to share that since past 1 year maybe we are having a lot of restrictions. We cannot go out much, we cannot explore, and we cannot do the normal thing, and we are living in a very confined life, right? Many of us. And we normally don't go to the work as I used to go, as we used to go, right? So what I do is like many times during the lockdown happened also, especially in India, I came to my rooftop and I used to walk with my daughter and some neighbors, friends here and there. I used to talk to them. So during that time, we always used to observe the sky. Into the sky. Today is not that bright and beautiful, but it's different. So every day evening, sky is telling you a different story, and I love that. Every day evening sky, I captured few of them, not everyday one, and I appreciate the nature, the beauty of the nature, the change of the color of the sky, and it tells us the different story, and it brings the really freshness of the mind. Even you're busy, you're not able to do much things in your life, just give yourself 10 to 15 minutes time. Go to your balcony, come to your terrace or rooftop, or go to your garden or window if you have open window or a view. Just see the sky, admire it, listen to some music, and spend time with the nature and the sky. You will feel fresh from your mind, from your soul, and that is the best part about travel. We travel through the sky, we travel through our experience, we travel through our life. So this is my new journey. I'm starting with all of you and walking with all of you. So please walk with Rajashri and do let me know how you feel about it. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Why to go far always to see the sunset? While working from home or studying from home, let's admire what we have around us, the sky and the sunset. It's not necessary always to go far for the beauty of the nature. Embrace and feel what we have near us, and just smile and relax for a while. This is how my sky is, and this is my evening. How about your evening? Can you share with me? And I would like to know if you have any evening sky photos or anything, please share on my comment box, and I would like to appreciate them and walk with all of you.